Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I am 30 years old.
Are you from this city?
Yes, I am.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I like it.
Is it a big city?
Yes, it is big.
Do you work here?
Yes, I work here.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job.
Is your job easy?
Sometimes it is easy.
Is your job hard?
Sometimes it is hard.
Do you work every day?
No, I work weekdays.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live near here.
Is your home close?
Yes, it is close.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come often.
Do you walk here?
Yes, I walk here.
Did you grow up here?
Yes, I did.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I love it.
Is it a big city?
Yes, it is quite big.
Is it safe here?
Yes, it is safe.
Do you enjoy walking in the park?
Yes, very much.
Do you exercise here?
Sometimes I jog.
Do you run every day?
No, not every day.
Do you relax here?
Yes, I relax here.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I like nature.
Do you see many people here?
No, not many.
Do you meet people here?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you talk to strangers?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you feel safe here?
Yes, I feel safe.
Do you live alone?
Yes, I live alone.
Do you have time now?
Yes, I have time.
Are you busy today?
No, I am not busy.
Can we walk together?
Yes, we can.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, almost every day.
Is coffee important for you?
Yes, it helps me wake up.
Do you go to a cafe nearby?
Yes, there is a small cafe.
Is it expensive?
No, it is reasonable.
Do you recommend it?
Yes, I do.
Do you work long hours?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you feel tired after work?
Yes, a little.
Do you relax here after work?
Yes, I do.
Do you like talking to people here?
Yes, it is nice.
Is this your usual route?
Yes, it is.
Do you walk fast or slow?
I walk at a normal pace.
Do you like long walks?
Yes, I do.
Do you feel comfortable talking?
Yes, I feel comfortable.
Do you like meeting new friends?
Yes, I do.
Can we meet here again?
Yes, we can.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a few good friends.
Do you meet them often?
Yes, we meet sometimes.
Do you like going out?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up early.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you feel tired in the morning?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you enjoy mornings?
Yes, I enjoy mornings.
Why do you like mornings?
Because it is quiet.
Do you come here in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Do you come here after work?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you feel relaxed here?
Yes, I feel relaxed.
Do you like fresh air?
Yes, I like fresh air.
Do you listen to music here?
Sometimes, I do.
What music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, I use headphones.
Do you read books?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you read?
I read simple books.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
What movies do you like?
I like simple movies.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes.
Are you good at cooking?
I am okay.
Do you like living alone?
Yes, I like it.
Do you have friends nearby?
Yes, I have friends.
Do you meet your friends often?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you go out with friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you like restaurants?
Yes, I like them.
What food do you like?
I like simple food.
Do you travel often?
No, not often.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like it.
Where do you want to go?
I want to see new places.
Do you take photos?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you like photography?
Yes, I like it.
Do you use social media?
Yes, a little.
Do you share your photos online?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you spend a lot of time on your phone?
No, not too much.
Do you enjoy quiet time alone?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you think this park is peaceful?
Yes, it is very peaceful.
Do you come here to think?
Yes, I do.
Do you like talking while walking?
Yes, I like it.
Do you enjoy long conversations?
Yes, I do.
Do you like meeting new people in places like this?
Yes, I like it.
Do you usually start conversations with strangers?
Sometimes I do.
Do you think it is easy to talk to new people?
Sometimes it is easy.
Do you feel comfortable talking with me?
Yes, I feel comfortable.
Do you think we can be friends?
Yes, I think so.
Would you like to meet here again?
Yes, I would like that.
When do you usually come to this park?
I usually come in the morning.
Would you like to have coffee together sometime?
Yes, that sounds great.